Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll need iTunes or Finder, an unlocked device, and an app that supports file sharing. Plug in or enable Wi-Fi sync. Open iTunes or Finder on Catalina and later, and select your device in the sidebar. Once selected, click Apps, then scroll to the File Sharing section to see eligible apps. You're starting mid-process. Identify the app you want to transfer files to or from. Make sure the device remains connected and awake, so iTunes can enumerate the app's shared documents. With the app chosen, you'll see its Documents list. This is where you manage shared files. To copy from computer to device, click Add or drag files into the Documents pane. iTunes copies them into the App Sandbox. Conversely, select one or more files and click Save to copy them out to a folder on your computer. Once done, verify file names and sizes. Large files may take time. Make sure file formats are supported by the app to avoid import errors. When transfer is complete, eject the device before unplugging to avoid corruption. Click the eject icon and wait for device removal confirmation. If files don't appear in the app, force close the app on the device and reopen it, then check its internal file browser. When errors persist, disconnect, toggle trust settings on the device, and reconnect. Also restart iTunes or Finder. One quick troubleshooting tip: enable Wi-Fi sync and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.